Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ghost cut technique. This advanced method allows you to remove unwanted weight from hair without visibly shortening it. It's perfect for achieving a soft, natural flow and enhancing movement, especially in longer styles. We'll cover everything from preparation to the final touches, ensuring a flawless result every time. Before you begin, ensure the hair is completely dry and detangled. This allows for precise cutting and clear visibility of the hair's natural fall. Divide the hair into 4 to 6 sections, securing each with a clip. Focus on isolating the areas that feel heavy or lack movement, as these will be your primary targets for the ghost cut. Now for the cutting action. Take a small, 1-inch section of hair and hold it straight out from the head at a 90-degree angle. Using only the very tips of your shears, gently snip into the midshaft of the hair strand. Aim to cut only about 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep. This subtle removal of hair creates the invisible layering effect, reducing bulk without visible lines. Once you've completed the ghost cutting in all desired sections, release the clips and gently comb through the entire head of hair. This allows the newly cut strands to fall naturally. Carefully check for evenness and identify any areas that might still feel heavy. Finally, style the hair as usual to fully appreciate the beautiful, seamless blend and the newfound lightness and movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.